So I have a bunch of cool gear that was sent to me to get some real world hands-on experiences for products for Amazon. Like a lot of products. Some real techie and some completely random. So in this video, I wanted to compile a list of 5 products that really surprised me with some of the features that kind of made me say, wow. None of these were sent to me to make this YouTube video. I just thought these were things that you would be interested in seeing.
Oh, you're filming?
Yeah.
Sorry.
So let's have a look at these 5 cool Amazon finds.
Mr. Black.
So we'll get to this list really quickly, but before we do, if you are interested in gadgets and gear, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button. Lets YouTube know that you like this kind of stuff and they will keep feeding you more of it. I'll also put links to all of the stuff you're seeing down in the description. And again, none of the stuff was sent to me to make this YouTube video. This is strictly for stuff that I do for Amazon, but I really think that you'd like this. And the first one happens to be this screen right behind me. This comes in from Raubay, and it's their large collapsible backdrop screen, which is portable. It has a retractable panel, great for photos, great for videos, great for video conferences, and you could even use it as a projection screen. It comes in black, blue, gray, green, and I actually got the white one here. I find the white one to be great if you're just looking to block out a certain area that might be a little bit dirty back there, but when you have this up and you're filming a video, nobody knows. Also, with a lot of programs out there, you can easily and quickly just key out the background, and when you have a solid background like this, it makes it look that much better. But I love how easy it is to retract this thing and pull this thing out. You just simply unhook it, just lift it, and you can also set it anywhere in between the highest point and the lowest point, and it just kind of stays there. It has legs to stand on, and it's also lightweight, so when you carry it around, it's not too heavy. I've used several of these kinds of screens in the past, and this one is the best one I've seen. Quality material on the screen and just really easy to use, and also just wide enough so even if I was holding a guitar, you wouldn't see like the guitar sticking out of the edges. And if you didn't know this, I live in Australia and I'm just here in the States to visit with some family and also, you know, review some stuff for Amazon. And I love this backdrop so much that I'm buying this exact same brand in Australia because it probably won't fit on the plane, but it's that good that I want one of these at home. And speaking of projection, I have this little mini projector that does a great job projecting a 1080p image on a big screen or a big wall. You plug this thing in, power it on, it has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and a remote control to control it. It has a quarter thread on the bottom to mount it, and has a little handle on it so you can carry it around. You can connect this thing wirelessly from your phone and you can play videos from your phone or connect it to your computer. Also, it has HDMI in on the back. It has USB so that you can plug in a flash drive and play movies, and it has headphone out or go out to like speakers. And it has a built-in speaker to play the movie sounds or your music or whatever just from there. But one of the wow things is just how small and lightweight this is and how powerful the image is. Like, it's really sharp, it's really clean, and the fact that you can get this for around $100 is a really good price for this. This would be actually a great gift if you're thinking about getting something for people that go camping or just like wanting to have like an outdoor movie screen or just even projecting it up on the ceiling, and you can lay on your bed or lay on the ground and watch movies up there. And again, this wasn't sent to me to make a video for you guys. I just thought you would like it. This would be a great gift. If you want to learn more about it, check out the link in the description. And here's a quick one, and because it also is a quick one, this is the Kingston SSD drive. This thing comes in a sleek red color. It's very lightweight, and you can get 1 terabyte for $75 or twice the speed for $17 more. Now, this thing I really wanted to share with you because I've been using it to store my video files on it, and it does come with the high-speed cable, and I can actually have those video files on here and be editing with it without any problems. The slower $75 one gives you transfer speeds at 1 gigabyte per second, so a 5 gigabyte video file you can transfer over in 5 seconds. That is very impressive, and this is a great price point for this. So make sure you check out the link in the description for the most current and up-to-date price. Now, another really quick one is this 3-in-1 charger. Now, you might be going, 3-in-1 charger, there's millions of them out there, so what? This one actually has a couple of wow factors to them, and let me show you. Now, it's like a paperweight, it's nice and heavy, and you have this top part that opens up, and you can put your phone on with MagSafe to charge it, just like that. Now, when you open it up, you also have a spot for your AirPods, so you can charge your AirPods at the same time. And over here, if you have an Apple Watch, you can pop this part out, and you can put your Apple Watch on there to charge. Or if you don't have it, you can just shut it, save some space. Now that's pretty cool already, but it gets even cooler because when you plug it in and you press this button right here, it actually auto rotates your phone. And so you go from portrait to landscape, and when it's charging in landscape mode, it actually turns it into like a nighttime clock and stops notifications. And then you can press it again to move it back around. Now, if you can't reach that button, all you have to do is hover your hand over, and there's a little sensor, and it sees your hand go over, and it will actually rotate it as well. Now, that's really cool. I didn't know that it did that, so when I pressed it, I was like, whoa, that's so cool, and did that, and I was like, what? And I just thought you guys would like that. So if you have a techie person in your life, this would make a great gift, and check out the link in the description to find it. And last but not least, and believe me, I have a ton of really cool Amazon finds, and I'll try to come up with new ones each week, so make sure you do subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. But this one comes in from IX Tech, and it's not a tiki torch. These are actually LED lights with Bluetooth speakers. So these are outdoor speakers. They're waterproof, portable. You can actually press the light button on the top to make it a little bit brighter and still have that flicker, and press it again to just get a solid light. You connect it via Bluetooth to your device, and then you can also even connect one of these to the other, so they can both be playing from the same device, and you can have these like far away. So if you had it lined up on your walkway and you had some guests coming in, or you had them in certain spots at your house for a party, it'll be playing the same song. And with that tiki torch look, it actually creates a really cool vibe. There are screw threads on the bottom to mount, and they also come with little stakes that you can put these into the ground. It also comes with a mount that you can actually screw this into the wall and mount it up on a wall, and it comes with S-hooks so you can actually hang them as well. They're very lightweight, and the speaker quality is really good. Like, it's really loud because it has speakers all around it. So no matter where you're walking around it, it will be projecting sound that way. On the top, you have controls for volume as well as play, pause. You can even take calls with this thing. It's just a really, really cool and clever system. I love this, and anyone that sees it is just like, where did you get those? I want them now. But that's it for today's video. Those are cool 5 Amazon finds. I'm here in Michigan right now. I'll be heading home soon, but so many cool products to share with you. So do stay tuned for all of that. If you want to see some other cool Amazon finds, some videos up on our screen right now. You can click on one of those, and I'll see you there.